If you're looking for ways to increase your income and you want to add $25,000 to your salary, that boils down to just over $2,000 a month or $500 a week or $100 a day. Today, I'm going to show you exactly the only 4 things that you need to make $100 a day trading in the stock market. 1, you need a phone or a computer, right? You can trade nowadays on any device that you have pretty much. You just need an internet connection and you need a computer and you need a trading platform. We're not going to spend too much time on this one because this one is pretty self-explanatory. Number 2, you need a solid, proven trading strategy. Now, there are a few ways to do this. 1, you can figure it out by yourself. You could take time and do either paper trading or trade with a small amount of capital. Test some strategies, hop from YouTube video to YouTube video, figure it out for yourself, or you could pay to learn from someone who already does it successfully. If you want to do the second option, links in the description. Video is really not about the course though. This video is about showing you that you need to either learn from someone or figure it out yourself. Once you have that proven trading strategy, you can move on to step 3, which is figuring out your correct type of buying power. When you've proven that your trading strategy works, you need to then dial in on what percentage you want to make per day, right? We're not talking about any dollar amounts here, but typically, on average, your back-tested strategy that's, you've proven to yourself already, what percent is that yielding per day? Typically, it's going to be between 1% and 3% per day. So let's just, for the purpose of this video, stick with 1% per day. So if you have a proven strategy that's doing 1% a day, you need $10,000 buying power to make $100 a day, right? 1% of $10,000 is $100 a day. Now, I understand that not many people have $10,000, so this is something that you can definitely build up to, right? If you start with $1,000, you could potentially be making an extra $10 a day, right? And you could just keep scaling that up. $2,000, you can make a potential extra $20 a day, and so on and so forth up until $100, and by no means you have to stop there. Now, it's important to understand that you're not going to make 1% per day every single day. It's a misconception to think that trading is either passive income or something that's guaranteed. Trading is never guaranteed. Nothing's ever 100%. That's why you need to make the average result of your day of trading 1%, right? So say you have a 0% day one day, then you'll need to have a 2% the next day to make them both average out to 1% a day. If you lose 1% one day, then you'll have to make 1% a couple more days and then 2% another day to average that out. But in general, we're going to want to say that making 1% a day has to be your average result of your typical trading day. Are you seeing how the numbers start to align here? Now, guys, number 4, the last thing that you need to make $100 per day is a determined yet patient mindset, right? And it's very hard and difficult to balance these two. You have to be determined so that you don't give up, right, when you potentially see some losses early on, which many people do. But you also have to be patient, right, so that you're not expecting too much too fast. 1% a day is quite a lot of money to be generating consistently. So this is something you're going to have to work at. It's not just passive income. It is something that you have to sit down at your computer and actively manage every single day. But the most important thing about this number 4, this mindset, is that you don't get discouraged, right? Because a lot of people, the reason that they quit trading is because they lose money early on. So you need to be cognizant that losses may occur and it shouldn't ever deter you from continuing to trade. You just need to be smart about how much you're risking. So before you're confident in your strategy, you need to be, going in with position sizes that maybe aren't as big as you plan to build up to someday. So if you don't have your strategy yet, maybe you just buy 1 share, or you buy 2 shares, you buy 1 contract if you're trading options. That's going to minimize your risk while giving you real money experience developing these strategies. Remember, guys, 1% of $10,000 is $100 a day, and that's our target for this video. So I'll put a link right here to my top 3 strategies for beginners when we actually delve into the actual technicals on how to turn this money into more money day by day. So click on that link if you're interested in actually learning those strategies. So that's it for this video, guys. Just a theory behind what it takes to actually make $100 per day in the stock market using $10,000 buying power. Hope that helped.